I'm back with another video today, and as you can probably tell, I'm not doing well. I've got bags under my eyes, my eyebrows need help, my skin needs some love, my hair is just dry and matted. I've had it up in this ponytail all week just because I couldn't figure anything else out. So today I will be treating myself to a nice pampering routine. Subscribe to our channel for more hair and beauty content. Hey guys, so basically I'm just showing you what I do in the shower. First, I saturate my hair with water, and then I go ahead and I take my Pantene Naturals shampoo and I go ahead and I shampoo my roots. And you have to make sure that you really scrub it in there to get rid of any dirt and oil that built up over the week. Once that's done, I grab my Shea Moisture conditioner. I'm not sure which one this is right now, but I go ahead and I saturate my hair with that and get all of my strands coated. Then I take this scalp massager that I got for $1 from Walmart and I massage my scalp. Step is to take my tangle teaser and detangle using my conditioner. So here I'm just showing you guys how I prep my hair for a braid out. I'm gonna start with my curls leave-in conditioner, get that in the section, and then I've been trying out this new Shea Moisture lotion and I really like it a lot. Also, I've been really enjoying aloe vera. It's been really good for my hair. My hair is very soft and the only thing I've changed is adding aloe vera to my routine. Once all my products are added, I go ahead and I braid my hair. And towards the end of the braid, I go ahead and give it a twirl so that the braids won't unravel while I sleep. So at the end of the night, I just go ahead and I take this do-rag or a scarf and I wrap that around my hair. I prefer using the rag as opposed to a bonnet because the bonnet always gives my hair a weird shape while my curls stay elongated when I use the do-rag. So here I'm just showing you guys a quick makeup application. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple look with a bold red lip. So the very last step is me unraveling my curls. I go ahead and I take my Jamaican black castor oil and I rub that in my hands, and then I go ahead and I take down each braid. And as I take down the braids, I try not to disturb the curl pattern too much because I don't want to ruin the curl, and I also don't want it to be too frizzy.
She created this mess, but I understand. Everyone needs that one ugly friend. Isn't that right, Valentina?
And guys, I'm so sorry if I look distracted in these clips. It's because I recently discovered RuPaul's Drag Race, and let me tell you, I am in love. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.